Alright, here's the next one. This is the Kmart Alaska. I believe it's Kmart Alaska. This is probably my favorite out of all the ceiling fans in the house. This one has many childhood memories. It's probably one of the first ceiling fans I've saw. Demonstrate the light first. Oh jeez, that light's very hard to pull. We'll start off on low first. Light's a little bit loose, so I'm a little bit afraid to pull the pull strings directly down at the fan. And this thing is dry too, or it's at least cold, so it's gonna start up very slowly. It's really cold in this house. Let's turn it on to medium now. This is the first Kmart Alaska I've seen in a house. Actually near. Yeah, do high speed. Ooh, this thing's gonna wobble. I'm afraid the light kit's gonna fall out. We'll just shut it off. Ooh. And for all the clock fans, the Seiko QXM 214 NRH used to hang right here. Anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching.